Yeah, so this will be my biogas digester. So this is actually be filled with vegetable, that's kitchen waste and cow dung and every waste, yeah, any organic waste. So the digestion process will go on here and anaerobic respiration will take place, and then because this will be enclosed and sealed, the methane gas will be forced through this tube, through the tube I've connected here, through into this. So this will be my gas tank. So the methane gas will eventually inflate this. So before I'll do it, I'll make sure every bit of air is out of it, so that the methane gas will get the space and then occupy this. So this is it. It's actually a project I did I think in 2015 or so, to win my district science fair. This one, I was actually second, because that was not the main project that was requested for, but then this is what I did, and then because of how innovative it is, I was given the second position in the whole municipality. And I'm just trying to, and even that time I couldn't get my fire out because something happened. But then this time I hope everything is going to work out. So these are the gas valves. These are the valves. You can close. This is open. You can close and open. Then there's the first one here, which means after my tube is inflated, I can close it here, and then I'll detach it from this. So this one will be on it, this tube will be on it while I've detached this. So this is just the same as this one. So if I detach it, I'll be able to have the inflated tube just like this. Then it will be mobile. I can connect it to any gas, any burner from this point, and then it will be able to use for any purpose. So watch out.